Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. Guys, today we have a unique face shield for protection against COVID-19 virus. Guys, first of all, let's disinfect the box. Guys, this face shield is launched under the brand COVID Comfort and this is SmartGuard face shield. To know the price, to know its efficiency, from where to purchase the product, please watch the video till the end guys. And guys, let me also tell you that this is made in India product and I'm definitely sure that you will like the product. So do not miss the video and watch till the end. Alright guys, so let's start with the unboxing. And first of all, let me tell you that if we differentiate between the face shield and a face mask, then the face shield protects you more from the coronavirus, the ongoing pandemic COVID-19, because the face shield also covers your eyes that face mask do not. Studies says that coronavirus can also be spread through your eyes. So guys, this is what we get inside the box: the mask along with 2 extra visors and 10 extra filters. The packet is totally sealed from everywhere. Guys, this SmartGuard face shield is reusable and it gives you all-round protection. It covers the entire face and protects against the droplet splash. So basically we are protected from liquid droplets, aerosols and bacteria. Now let's cut the packing and have a look what we get with this pack. We get 2 extra visors and 10 extra filters with this pack. Along with this is the face shield itself. So guys, the build quality of the face shield is perfect and it is ergonomic design. So basically you can change the filter after every use and also the visor whenever required. Alright guys, if we talk about the first impression of the product, so the design is wonderful. It is ergonomic design that can suit any face and the product quality is also uncompromised. Other than that, if we talk about the plastic is of good grade. Here we also get 2 adjustable elastic bands for comfortable fit and you can adjust the size according to your face. Guys, we also get headband with comfort cushion. There is firm grip on the forehead with soft cotton blend fabric and this is easily removable and also washable when required. So guys, we can see that the visor has ultra clear wide angle vision and is also easily replaceable. Guys, face shield can reduce the exposure to virus by 90 to 96% when someone near you coughs, as they cover our mouth, nose and eyes, which face masks do not. So guys, here we get 2 extra visors and 10 extra filters with this pack and we are also given with how to change the visor and filter. So guys, here you can see that this face shield is very comfortable and easy to use. Guys, the face shield have other benefits compared to the traditional mask. It is easier to communicate as your mouth isn't covered and also the plastic of the face shield can be disinfected using the alcohol wipe, soap or disinfectant spray so they can use over and over again. It is also seen that people touch their face less when they wear face shield. So guys, if we look at the current scenario, so there is no harm in purchasing the product like this. And guys, last but not the least, the price of the product. So guys, the price quoted on the box is 499 rupees, although the Amazon current price is 460 rupees. So guys, I'll mention you the link to purchase in the description box below. So guys, that's all the details we have about the product. I'll mention the link to purchase from Flipkart and Amazon in the description box. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. And guys, if you want us to review any specific product, please mention down in the comment section below. So guys, stay safe, stay home. The whole world is fighting against the COVID-19 pandemic and this time shall pass on. Hope for the best. Bye bye.